Oh. Spotlight off, I don't like sharing. Alright, and we are out of here. Wave goodbye to all the people on that dock. Bye. You'll never see them ever again. But you probably never saw them ever before. So it really doesn't matter, does it? No. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Gabby and I'll be your skipper for about as far as we get tonight. Now we'll find out together how far that'll be. And if things take a turn for the worse, well, I'll also be your swimming instructor. But let's keep that from happening. So please stay seated at all times. Keep your hands, arms, legs, elbows, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes inside the boat at all times. And please watch your children. I'm not going to. I really don't get paid enough for that. Oh, and if we lose anything in the jungle, just raise your hand. I'll raise mine. We'll wave goodbye to your stuff together. We are now entering an ancient Cambodian shrine built by ancient Cambodian Shriners. And on our left, folks, we have an Indo-Chinese tiger. You know, they're known to leap over 40 feet. Don't worry, though, we're only like 15 feet away, so he's just gonna go right over your head. Like most of my jokes. And you can tell from the statue of an elephant looking for his contact lens that we are going to see some elephants. We are heading into the sacred bathing pool of Indian elephants, and folks, if we are really quiet, we might be able to hear a baby elephant calling out to its mom. Let's see if we can hear one. Did you hear that, folks? Isn't nature beautiful? Now, can anyone tell me how we know these are Indian elephants instead of any other ones? It's because we're in India. Up here's my friend Bertha. She's been in that shower for so long. You can tell from all the wrinkles. Yeah, that's what happens when you stay in the shower too long. You turn into an elephant. Trust me, it almost happened to me. No, I'm just kidding. I don't shower. Squirt, stay down. Squirt likes to spare a boat sometimes, folks, but don't worry, he's coming up. Everyone, duck, duck, duck! Goose. Just a little dry humor, folks. I would never put you all in any real danger. Whoa! That sounded dangerous. Let's go get closer. Oh no. These gorillas took over our campsite. Aw, look at the gorilla with a cute little hat. There's a gorilla with a cute little baby. And that gorilla with the cute little gun. A gun? Oh my goodness, folks, we gotta get out of there. The monkeys are calling the shots. That was a close one. On our left, we have some beautiful bamboo. You know, bamboo can grow up to 6 stories tall. Yeah, some people say 7, but that's a whole other story. Oh, hey, there's something you don't see every day. Wow. I do. And right in front of you is our most beautiful view in the entire jungle. Oh, behind me, that was Spicer Falls. That's nice too. Alright, we're now on the Nile River, folks. It's the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. And well, if you don't believe me, you must be in disbelief. Let's all please pay attention. Oh my goodness, folks, that's a rare sight. That's an African bull elephant. Now, can anyone tell me how we know it's an African bull elephant instead of any other ones? It's actually because of their ears, but that was a really good guess. We are now entering the Great African Belt, and folks, if we're lucky, we got a lot of animals out here tonight. Yeah, let's see, in the front, we got some stripy horses. On the right, some bearded horses. Oh, and the tall ones in the back, those are trees. Oh, this pride of lions is watching over that sleeping stripy horse. Oh, he must be dead. Tired? Dead tired. That's how they sleep in the jungle. You know, with their necks bent like that, and their eyes open, surrounded by predators. Yeah. Oh my goodness, folks, we found Skipper Felix and his crew. They were missing earlier today. I told him, never argue with a rhino. They always get their point across. In the end. Poor Felix. I think I made a wrong turn a little while back there. Yep, we were heading into a pool of dangerous hippopotamus. Not again. Yeah, last week they actually sank 6 of our boats. Don't worry though, out of 6, only like 5 were mine. Alright, everybody cover your ears, I'm gonna scare them away. Yeah, I got the one in the trees. I scared the rest of them stiff. I just saved all of your lives. Yeah, you're welcome. That's what I thought I heard from everybody. Okay, folks, I'll be honest with you. There's been a rumor going around. People have been saying that my job is so easy that a monkey can do it. Now, can you believe that? Honestly, it hurts my feelings. It makes no sense. Like, how can a monkey even do? Oh, that's awkward. Those are actually chimpanzees. So that's not the same thing at all. And we're just gonna move on. Okay. We have a couple more of them up here, and the one on the right, we call her Annette. The one on the left, we call her magnifying glass. Yeah, they're hanging out with those butterflies. I love butterflies, but you know, they just aren't what they used to be. Yeah, caterpillars, that's right. And now, folks, the moment you've all been waiting for, the amazing, the colossal, the 8th wonder of the world. O2H, O2H, O2. Okay, never mind. Just ahead on the left. Yeah, that one takes a second. And now, folks, the lefts are known, but also significant 9th wonder of the world, the front side of rock. Yeah, it's one of our bolder attractions here at the jungle. A lot of people take it for granted, but I personally find it quite marvelous. Yeah, my sentiments exactly. I mean, they're not all gems, but I think this one really rocks. Oh, look at that boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love. Then comes asphyxiation. Yeah, it's a pretty constricting relationship, though. Yeah, I wouldn't want to get tangled up in that if I were you. And what is a jungle cruise without a souvenir? Welcome to Trader Sam's gift shop. And I know what you're thinking. No, we did not leave the monkeys in charge. That would be silly. The elephant's in charge. Yeah, that's my good friend Ellie. And you know, a lot of people think it's water coming out of her nose. It's not. It's not water. And you know what? You never see the elephants hiding in the trees? Because they're really good at it. Keep your eye on the trees. You never know what'll be there. The monkey taking the photos, a lot of people think we are paying him to do that. Yeah, we're not. He's just doing it for the exposure. Those two up top, they've been saying around and around for like 6 months now. Yeah, I think they're trying to set a new record. Alright, folks, while we're waiting here, I'd like to point out some of my favorite plants in the jungle. We're just putting some boats away, folks. So, that's why he's going to back up a little bit. I thought he wasn't looking. I was scared for a second. Alright. Anyway. While we wait here, folks, I'll tell you all a little bit about myself. So before I worked here, I actually used to work at an orange juice factory. Yeah, but they fired me. They said I couldn't concentrate. Then before that, I worked at a canning factory, but that one didn't work out either. Yeah, they canned me. I was trying to become a doctor for a while, but you know, I just didn't have the patience for it. Yeah, I even worked in a mirror factory, but you know, I really couldn't see myself doing that one. I even worked in a calendar factory, but that one didn't work out either. Yeah, they fired. I took too many days off. bread factory, but every day I would rise to the occasion, but I just couldn't make enough dough. Yeah, so now I'm here. Alright, I have to ask, who woke up here today and said, Jungle Cruise, gotta do it? Yeah, me too. Yeah, I say it every day. Alright. You know, folks, we heard a lot of animals out there today. We heard some elephants, we heard some tigers, we heard some hippos. I personally heard a lot of crickets. Especially when I told jokes. Which is weird. I didn't know we had crickets out there. Alright, folks. Should be just a few more moments. Right in front of us, we have the Shopville Hideaway. Actually, I think we're going to be good, so I'm not even going to finish that one. Yep. There we go. Lights coming on, friends. Watch your eyes. Congratulations, you all survived the World Disney Jungle Cruise Series. Hold your hand. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I did all the work. If you enjoyed your time tonight, my name is Skipper Gabby. If you didn't, alright. As we approach the dock, please stay seated. Keep your hands, arms, elbows inside the boat and away from the side. We wouldn't want to damage the dock. Now, folks, I really must say, out of all the boats I have taken out, you all have definitely been the most recent. No, I'm just kidding, folks. You've all been so outstanding in this boat, but now I need you all outstanding on the dock. Get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude. Please, don't take your kids with you. Jump aside here and call